Hello everybody, it is Hot Wheels fan Ryan here. Got something Hot Wheels and something Matchbox. These are the working rigs. It's pretty cool. Then we also have a Hot Wheels here. Don't know what kind of car this is. But we'll start with the Matchbox working rigs, I guess. So let's just open this up. These things are hard. Come on, man. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway. Man, they typed this thing real good. Now this looks cool. Metal base. Wow. Look at this, dude. Thing can what? No way! What? Whoa. I didn't know it could do that. That's sick. This is, I wonder, opens it up and there's tilts. That's so cool. Wow. Oh. So cool. And you can see the interior real quick. Those are nice seats in there. That's a nice looking steering wheel too. Let's see it. Yeah, this is a very detailed model. It's a Freightliner. This even bounces up and down if you want. It's the 6-wheeler. And we got some Hot Wheels to open up, so this is a pretty cool looking model. And so, oh, I keep doing that. I'm so sorry, everybody. That happens now on my videos. Nice smelling bass. I love to smell that bass. This is pretty cool. Oh, it's fast. Look at it. Well, there are two. Let me just show the rest of this real quick before I end the video. Before I end the video, just wanna. Does this move? Nope, doesn't. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.